Once upon a time, a long time ago, I met this girl, she said her name was Vo. She got that smile, le face rose le baay. No, we ain't lang on, everything was alright.
Sa ofisili at tulo po o amay. Wa ulit sama may isala fay wo Sofia Emilio siyo fay at sika wole ako be kakisaway.
Baby, are you single? Ella yo so ay nga. O akong naibalabang o fiyay lo ay nga. Bebe velo lela, fe emo maya wila. So nga awa kepi pole ku umaya yaka ika. Ese ika o my boy wasili lawa ay. Mga ongilang o nga maritime seki may. She took my hand and kissed me on my cheek. She finally said yes when she kissed me on my lips. Tap on my
Tingin may sabor, basta may sabor. Uka uwa okay. Lupa solo ako. Tingin may sabor, basta may sabor. Uka uwa okay. Lupa solo ako.
3 months later, we've been seeing each other. I was falling in love and she was my only lover. I've never felt this way before, it was so hardcore. I was madly in love, but soon I ekelelo. You're giving me everything, even so much more. And in my heart, you're the one that I've been searching for. I would die for you, do anything for you. But it wasn't enough for you to love me too. I always took the blame, I even took the pain. Cause I love you so much, every time, every day. You mean the world to me, you were my shining star. You took my heart for granted, now you tear it apart. Ngoko for your lela, walilo for imangaku. You just broke my heart, asabi lo inga e alu. So I hope someday, perfect ka wika u. Masapanga we po limo solo lo ko alu mama.
Tingin may sabor, basta may sabor. Uka uwa okay. Lupa solo ako. Tingin may sabor, basta may sabor. Uka uwa okay. Lupa solo ako.
So all I wanna say is swing it lo bolanga. Boanga ililok weka wa may sepa kuanga. You only get to be with one, no 2 or 3. It's the way of life and that is how it should be. Be truly mafubanga. I work if you player waka kingo aku labele o Cinderella. Ya umma ku beste o yo e kangaka. O o se kinge makwa o follow la wasa. I hope you find a Mr. Right in the right way. Umma ku fo bo wrong mo for my school day and you deserve him. O se kinge popo before you ole kama may sava isik ko amo ole popo. So goodbye, I'll always remember you. I wish you all the best for all the things that you do, but I will never forget the pain that you caused. P.S. Thank you for the broken heart. Bye, Lord.
Tingin may